Here I have Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone icon right here, let's activate the keypad, and let's use the first secret code. So let me open the version of my device. Let's use the asterisk hash 1234 and hash. As you can see, the version of the phone just pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP, CSC or model of your device. Let's go back by using the back key. Now let's open the software and the hardware info, so the main version of your phone. Let's use the asterisk hash 12580 asterisk 369 hash. As you can see, the main version pops up. Here you can read the AP, CP, CSC, so the same info as previously, and also some other important information, such as, for example, RF call. Let's go back. This time let me show you how to open the first testing menu. So let's use the asterisk hash 7353 and hash. As you can see, the following menu pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose, for example, the melody. You can test the vibration. You can check out the speaker. Timing and other stuff, such as the camera, front camera, Bluetooth, dot mode, the accelerometer sensor or light sensor. Let's go back by using the back key. Here let's open another testing menu. Let's use asterisk hash 0 asterisk hash. The following mode pops up. You can test here, for example, the screen, so all colors, red, green, blue. You may test the receiver, vibration as well, and other stuff such as touch, sensor, sub key, LED, or for example the barcodes emulator test. Let's go back by using the back key. Let me quit the following testing menu. So right now let me show you how to use and open the service mode. So let's use asterisk hash 0011 hash. The service mode just pops up. Here you can read a couple of useful information. You can also choose more key, and here, for example, you use the key input. Let's go back by using the back key. This time let me show you how to open the battery status. So let's use the following code: asterisk hash 0228 hash. As you can see, battery status pops up. You can read the current value, such as the voltage, level blocks and other stuff. You may also use back key to go back, and here you can use the USB settings mode. So let's use the asterisk hash 0808 hash. Here you can change the mode of the USB if you would like to. If not, let's go back. At the end, let me show you how to check the email and serial number by using just a simple code. So let's enter the asterisk hash 06 hash, and the email and serial number pops up. You may also use the barcodes to these numbers. So basically that's it. Let's tap OK to close this window. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.